Hello and welcome to another modeling video. This is Alan from the Man at YouTube with another model video tutorial. Today we're going to be removing gold chrome special coating or foil from model kit parts, such as car parts, special editions, Gunpla. There are many types and methods of coating plastic or objects, including electroplating, hydro dipping, trivalent chroming atomization, printer's ink like Molotov liquid chrome, and buffing graphite or magic powder pigment. All processes involve natural metals like nickel with added chromium or other effects on top. Being metal, pigment or paint, this can all be broken down or corroded with bleach. Identification of method or material is not important. My choice is drainage gel bleach, but anything in your home including laundry detergent is perfectly fine. Be wary of safety in mixing chemicals, storage, use, skin or eye contamination and clothing stains. Simple as decanting the bleach in a safe container, large enough to store all the parts away from children and animals. A good tip will be included at the end of the video if your space is compromised. Short-term exposure, the plastic will be safe. Immediately within 10 minutes, the coating has already started to corrode and chip off. No sanding, brushing, agitation or touching required. Using high strength gel bleach, within the hour it has completely stripped down to bare plastic. Depending on the concentrate and strength of bleach, it may take much longer, up to 24 hours. It is perfectly safe to submerge plastic, PLA, ABS, polycaps and rubbers without compromising the material. This is an old AMT kit with a very brittle styrene that's existed for a few decades now. Avoid metal containers or tools as they will corrode, including parts and aftermarket bits. This aluminium can was used to submerge a part and out of interest left for 24 hours and has corroded quite a bit. Consider purchasing or recycling a large food-safe plastic bucket with sealable lid. I keep a few litres of bleach in here and regularly soak and clean out old hobby jars. The most expensive aspect to Japanese hobby paint are the jars, which are a fantastic and sealable product and like to regularly reuse them, which is very easy to clean in just soaking in these tubs. Guests and my pets have never been able to access it or open it and is stored outside. This concludes my video. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, until next time, stay tuned for further content. Happy to answer questions in the description section down below, and please have a look at the source links and social medias for more content. Catch you all later.